Good morning, students. Here, today we are going to continue the problems based on exterior angle property and angle sum property. Yesterday, you have seen 3 questions based on the same topic. Today, we will discuss 3 more questions. Here, the first question. You can see the unknown angles here are x and y. Now, can you tell me whether this is an exterior angle or not? Here 60 degree indicated angle is not an exterior angle because this angle doesn't touch one of the side of this triangle. This angle doesn't touch one of the sides of this triangle. So this angle is not an exterior angle. So here we use the concept of vertically opposite angles. We use the concept of vertically opposite angles. If this is 60 degree, the angle that lies just opposite to 60 degree will also be 60 degree. So the value of x is 60 degree. From the rule of vertically opposite angles, we can say that x is equal to 60 degree. Now, consider this triangle. You know, this is 30 degree, x is equal to 60 degree. Then how will you find angle y? You know that the sum of all the interior angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So, you can write 30 plus x plus y equal to 180 degree. That is 30 degree plus 60 degree plus y equal to 180 degree. What is 30 degree plus 60 degree? It is 90 degree. So 90 degree plus y equal to 180 degree. Transposing this 90 degree to the RHS, what will it become? It will become minus 90 degree. So, y is equal to 180 degree minus 90 degree. That is, y is equal to 90 degree. Hope you understood the concepts clearly. The next question. Here, you are given only the value of this angle. Students, the first thing that you should notice is that whether the outside angle is an exterior angle or not. Is this an exterior angle? No, it is not an exterior angle because it doesn't touch one of the sides of the triangle. Now, here we use the rule of vertically opposite angles. What is that rule? Vertically opposite angles are always equal. So, y equal to 90 degree. Now, here you have y equal to 90 degree. Now, using the angle sum property of triangles. What is angle sum property of triangles? The sum of all the interior angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So, how will you add? X plus y equal to 180 degree. So, I can write it as x plus 90 degree. Why 90 degree? Because they are equal. So, I wrote x plus 90 degree equal to 180 degree. What is x plus x? X plus x is 2x. So, 2x plus 90 degree equal to 180 degree. By transposing, I can write it as 2x is equal to 180 minus 90 degree. What is 180 degree minus 90 degree? It is 90 degree. So, 2x is equal to 90 degree. How will I take this 2 to the other side? Here it is 2 into x. So, when I take to the other side, it becomes division. So x is equal to 90 by 2. 90 by 2. So x is equal to 45 degree. Next question. Students, can you see any of the numbers in this triangle? No. But don't get confused. Here we are using three concepts. So any two you will apply here. Which are the three concepts which you used in the previous questions? The rule of vertically opposite angles. Then angle sum property of triangles. Then exterior angle property of a triangle. Now let's see. Here you don't have to use exterior angle property because why? Here you don't have any exterior angle drawn. Here you don't have any exterior angle drawn. So here you will be using vertically opposite angles rule and angle sum property of this triangle. Okay. Now, first consider this part. First consider this part. Okay. Here x and y are vertically opposite angles. Students, listen here carefully. Here x and y are vertically opposite angles. What is the important property of vertically opposite angles? Can anyone remember that? Vertically opposite angles are always equal. That is the very important property of vertically opposite angles. That is, vertically opposite angles are always equal. So I can write x is equal to y. I can write x is equal to y. Here, if this angle is x, I can write this angle is also x. Can you tell me why? Because they are vertically opposite angles. Okay. Here also the same thing I will apply. X and this angle is same. So I can write this as x, this angle as x, and here y also. Instead of y, I can write x. So what are the angles inside the triangle? The angles inside the triangle, each angle measures x degree. Isn't it? Each angle measures x degree. So I can write x plus x plus x is equal to 180 degree. So 3x is equal to 180 degree. X is equal to 180 by 3 and x is equal to 60 degree. That means this is an equilateral triangle. All the angles are equal. So you can call it as equilateral triangle. By this question, we will end the topic of angle sum property and exterior angle property. Thank you. Have a nice day.